What's up guys, I'm going to make this video about an extreme cold start on a KTM 125 SX. Here's the bike right here. It's pretty ghetto. I got a grill cover on it and everything. It's just a bike I was trying to flip, so I just have it out here in the patio. But it's been about, it's been out here probably a couple months to a few months, and it's been like super cold. I'm talking like below zero for the past couple weeks. Like, it's been crazy out here. And yeah, I have a grill cover on it because like I said, it's pretty ghetto. However, this bike hasn't started in a few months, so today we're gonna start it and I put some fuel in it. I don't think any of the fuel or anything is frozen, but yeah, it should be good. But we're probably gonna have to either push start it, or we're probably just gonna have to get it in the garage and get like a buddy heater on it or something for a while and then heat it up. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Get it good to go for this dude that's gonna buy it this weekend, supposedly. To the guy that's gonna buy it, if you have been watching this video, which is probably unlikely, but you never know, don't worry, the bike's in good hands. It has been outside for a while, but trust me, it's gonna be all right. I took good care of this bike anyway, so it's all good. Don't worry about it. To the people that are gonna watch my videos and they might get a bike from me later on, they'll be like, that dude doesn't take care of his shit. I'm sure there's a lot of people that keep their bike in the shed outside that is super cold. You know, like, it's probably normal for this kind of stuff. So I'm not too worried about it. We'll get it running. All right, right now we're just gonna top her off on fuel, get some fresh fuel in it. And then we're probably gonna just put some starting fluid in there and then just kick her over. There we go. All right. That's what I like about the KTMs. All right, now we're just gonna spray some of that right in there. Right there. All right, so what we're gonna do real quick before we proceed is take a link out of this chain. It's pretty loose, so I'll hook the guy up with that, because I mean, you shouldn't really ride it with the chain like that. Usually it's 3 fingers right here. I'm not gonna touch it with my gloves, but 3 fingers right there. That's like how you judge. I have it in my other videos how to how to tell if your chain's at the right length, but right now obviously this one's drooping, so we're gonna get that taken care of. Tighten the wheels back up, put the air filter back on, should be good to go.
Pins down.
Basically what we're doing is we're just gonna grind these 2 pins out of there, take a link out. It's kind of the easy way to do it, so put that back on, should be good to go. Go. Chain should be about 3 fingers up from there, which we can slide it, and it will be, so yep, good to go there.